All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. The light is not the best. I do apologize for the lighting in here, but I'm trying my best to see how best I can work around it. Anyways, so Liam Bailey, they have qualified for the Europa Conference League, Liam Bailey and Aston Villa. We're going to touch a little bit on that and we'll touch also on the role that Liam Bailey played this season in achieving that. But before we do that, people, please, I'm asking you guys, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and join the family. Hit the subscribe button and join the family. Share the video if you feel free to do so. All right, so interesting stuff here, people. So this is what I want to talk about. Now, Unai Emery, when he came to Aston Villa, they were in a bad state, and fortunately, coming back, you guys remember early on in the season, Liam Bailey wasn't being used that much under Gerrard. So they had a few manager change, and Unai Emery came in and he made things a bit more fluent. He made things a bit more fluent for the team. He put some stuff together, so the team having to formulate a decent run of form, quality run of form, start playing some better football, more attacking-minded football. But when Unai Emery came into Aston Villa, we saw a difference in Liam Bailey's performance. So obviously, this coach has an impact on the player. So at this present moment, they have qualified for the Europa Conference League, and it's a big deal for the team and for the club, I should say. They were close to relegation when Unai Emery came in, and he brought them from that level straight up to European competition. And on the last day, defeated Brighton 2-0. We all know that Brighton is actually a very good team, but certainly they turn out. Now let's get back on Liam Bailey. This is a big moment for him. I do know you can remember that Liam Bailey was at Leverkusen, where he's kind of used to playing Champions League and Europa League. Not necessarily successful, but at least he knows that familiar environment. And with this achievement now, big aspect, they are under a manager who knows to win European trophies. So we could possibly see Liam Bailey lifting a European title in short, well, by next year, because they will be one of the top teams in that region. Look at it now, the European final, the European Conference League finals at this present moment is West Ham. West Ham are in the European Conference League final. So that tells you that the Premier League clubs normally have that higher ilk to at least go on to the finals. Certainly. But it's a big deal for Unai Emery and Aston Villa and Liam Bailey. And it showcased what Liam Bailey can do. And he has had a good season where injuries are concerned. His numbers are not the best, but certainly you can see the performances are getting significantly better over the time period. With a fitter Liam Bailey, you get better performances, and which means that better performance are going to lead to more goals, more assists, and all these things. So congratulations to Liam Bailey, Aston Villa, and Unai Emery. Well done, and hope you guys have success. If Liam Bailey have success, that's success for us. You guys know that. So well done, Liam Bailey, in also helping the club to achieve this gargantuan achievement, huge achievement. Well done, Liam Bailey, and I have to say, hopefully you continue to work on. I know that this next season would be a good one for you, because you can see the progress getting better and better. So hopefully we see you next season getting better, and this is a moment where we see you kick on. Big up Liam Bailey, big up Aston Villa for what they have achieved. Massive respect. People, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm out. Boom.